Noise is an important problem faced by amateur radio operators, especially on the high frequency bands. Noise level is always on the increase in the urban areas with ever increasing number of devices at home and neighborhood contributing to noise on high frequency bands. Noise is less of a problem on very high frequency and ultra high frequency bands, though I do have quite a bit of noise on VHF during evening hours. Digital noise reduction or DNR is a way of reducing noise in FT-710 radio. Digital noise reduction can be activated using the DNR button on the front panel near the tuning control. This video clip will give you the amount of noise in city locations on HF bands. This is 40 meter, 7.150 megahertz in the evening. That is the AirNet India going on. You can see that the noise level is almost 7 to 8. Occasionally you can see the signal going above. That is when there is a very strong station. Correspondingly, the waterfall display is also visible very well. But when there are no transmissions, still the S-meter needle is showing always above 7. So that is because of the heavy noise level in this region. I am sure it is there in most of the regions. Now I am going to show how to use the digital noise reduction. I have pressed on the DNR button and you can see I have been adjusting the DNR level. For adjusting the DNR level, a long press is needed and you will see the level displayed on screen as you have just seen, and you can turn the function knob, rotary function knob, which is adjacent to the DNR button, and you can turn it either clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can see that the noise level changes. There is some reduction in audio level as well. And when the DNR level is kept very high, I usually hear a sound something like water flowing. So ideal level, my friends have told me, is that keep the DNR level at 5. Beyond that, it will not be very nice. Below that also, the effectiveness will be low. So a DNR level of 5 will be good for usual situations.